Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is we're going to be discussing a few basic things, pretty much just getting into some of the best upcoming sneakers that we got left in May, since Nike is actually leaving a lot of the heat that we have left this month, well, towards the end of it, pretty much, so really heading into June. Maybe we have a lot of good stuff then, but basically, end of this month, like the last week or so, we actually have a lot of heat dropping, a few good drops I can name, some Travis stuff, a couple other collaborations in there, and on some big models too, so they'll probably do well. They already are, so yeah, they're not really going to break in price like that, and they're going to probably stay a bit higher. So we'll kind of get into it, discuss these upcoming drops that we have towards the end of May, and really what's left, because it seems like May hasn't been, not really been much going on towards the start other than really the blue tile SBs, but now we got some more coming, and a release for those, I think tomorrow on sneakers, so there's a lot on the way. Let's get into it. Again, if you guys ever want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. The normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. If you do that, that'd be great. If not, again, all my socials are linked down below. My Instagram page, TikTok lives. Again, if you ever want to come cop some streetwear off us, right? We'll be back live there in a day or two, so make sure y'all just stay tuned for that. We'll have another live there. We usually try and go live like every other day, or like we actually were live every day last week. So there's a lot more on the way. So stay tuned, guys. Again, a lot more coming on the page. Just getting some stuff sorted with TikTok right now in terms of like paperwork, things like that. I hate doing it, but you got to do it. So that has been a process, but aside from that, we're really getting through it. If you want to follow it, again, all that is linked down below. We do tons of different brands over there. We'll have some sneaker stuff pretty shortly as well. So yeah, that's what I can say. Hope you guys will enjoy, and let's get started. Now, of course, we'll move over right here, and the screen recording is up, and discussing, this is really the first one to kind of get into. This is on May 22nd, right? And this is actually not the only shoe that we have dropping on May 22nd that is potentially good, right? This is another sneaker dropping that day that has a little bit of hype too. Not a massive amount, but there's some potential that it could do well. Aside from that, though, looking at the brick after bricks, as y'all can see, very, very nice sneaker right now. The prices are still insane, as you can see, at that $700 to $1,000 range. But again, if you look at where the pairs are actually selling, you guys can see the sales have started to come down a lot more. Size 11 at $550, size 10.5 at $525. I remember discussing this with you guys. We kind of discussed kind of that $550 range, or I think it was like $500, $600 specifically. I don't know if we ever mentioned $550. Maybe we said $550, like $700 at one point, but I'm pretty sure we were saying $500, $600 will probably be where these end up settling, maybe a little bit lower at like that $450, $550 range. I think that's what we were saying. So there's potential for that, I think. As you can see, a lot of the recent sales have been at that $650, $520 range. Again, with the drop still being a decent amount of time away, there's going to be a lot more pairs coming out. I could see these coming down a lot more in price. But if you remember the brick by bricks, right, the first pair of these, they came down a lot more in price, and then they didn't do enough pairs on the final locations they were dropping them at, and then they shot up in price several $100s. Could I see a similar situation with these? Yes, I think that's very possible, considering that, again, if these come down to like that $400, $500 range, I would maybe just go out the way and grab a pair or two, because if you think about the brick by bricks, right, those kind of surprised everyone. They were at like $380, $450. Again, feel free to go check. I'm not kidding when I say that. They were that low previously. And then after that day or so they were there, they did not last there. You know what I mean? They went up in price, and now it's a very, very expensive sneaker. And seeing that people have paid very, very high prices for this sneaker early, it kind of makes me think, okay, yeah, there's some potential that we could see these just stay high in price, you know what I mean? Not only that, but return to those high prices they were at. So I definitely think that's something we got to think about. May 22nd, brick after brick, now just Sylvester Jordan 4. First one to get out the way. There's a lot more too, so let's dive into it. Next up, we also got the Jordan 3 Brazil, which is coming up. These actually have a decent amount of hype. I did not expect that. Actually, a lot of sales too at high prices. Look, between $280, $300 range, people are paying up for the Jordan 3 Brazil. So definitely make sure y'all going for these. I know there'll probably be a decent amount that drop over the next few days at retailers and all these other locations. But seeing that they're going for $290, $300, that's a very, very solid resale range for Jordan 3, and I think people are definitely sleeping on these a little bit. Seeing that's a good early market. Like I thought these were a brick. I thought these were like under retail or something like that. You know what I mean? Just because that's like how most Jordan 3s are right now. You go look at like the upcoming Jordan 3 World's Best Dad, right? Like those are super brick in price. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's definitely something to think about. But these are doing great. So go for these. Do not sleep. Coming on May 16th, I think it is. Yeah. So do not miss this. This is that's really good prices for a Jordan 3 in 2026. So regular colorway too, not a collab or anything, but Brazil is outside for those shoes, I will say that. We also got like the Toro Bravo 4s. Those are dropping like again right at the end of the month, but that's not anything too crazy. Like I think those are probably gonna, they're already under retail, probably gonna stay there. I don't really see those shooting up in price. That people aren't getting those love right now. And of course, you got these. Actually, if y'all remember I think discussing these in either yesterday's video or the day before, the Nike GT Future DMV. These are also again dropping on May 22nd. We just have tons of heat coming in May, right around then. So I think that's just not something to sleep on. And this is not the only drop you have towards the end of May. So this is again a little quick, brief one. I feel like it could do good because it's all pink. They probably will make it limited. So chance for a good market. Some of the GT Future colorways do decent, so maybe, you know, a small lady size in these, I feel like could do pretty good. And you guys can see, these, it's another one, again, we got to discuss right here. Not on May 22nd. These have now been moved to the 29th. Keep in mind, I believe there actually is some info. Boom, as you can see, 17 hours ago, May 29th. They pushed these back a week because, again, the brick after bricks are going to be on May 22nd with the GT Futures, right? The ones we were just discussing. But looking at these, man, you can see the stock is great for these. Take a look at this. You guys can see the rumored stock we're going to be getting for these is $110,000 for the shot pink and $190,000 for the tropical pink. I really like the tropical pink one, so I'm honestly hoping I can get my size in that one for a decent price, but I know it's still going to be probably like $500, $600 at least. I mean, think about the medium olives, think about the canary lows, right? They did a bunch of stock on both of those, and whoa, go look at where the prices are on both of those. Those are not cheap sneakers still, you know what I mean? So these aren't going to brick in price. Just because we see higher numbers on these, still expect them to flip like that. Keep in mind, Travis Scott releases like this tend to have millions and millions of entries. Like 1.5 million is like an average number usually for how many people enter for the lows on the Travis Scott website. I remember for the last release, I think it was 1.9 million, so it actually went a little bit higher on the last drop. I could be wrong on that. Feel free to correct me in the comments if I am wrong, but there's usually easily over 1 million people on the Travis site whenever they're releasing. So that's just something, or not 1 million people at once, but 1 million people that enter for these drops. So, or at least 1 million entries, you know what I'm saying? So there's always at least that or more. So keep that in mind with both these sneakers right here, right? May 29th, $155 retail. If you cop it for retail, you were blessed. They're going to be on sneakers also most likely a little bit after. I'm not sure if sneakers is on May 29th. I'm guessing this is probably the Travis Scott site release. But if they do something on the Travis Scott site on like the 23rd or 24th, then this probably is the sneakers drop date. But keep that in mind. It's probably a Travis site release date. We'll have more info on these soon. I'll be sure to make an updated video for you guys. We actually did make one, I think, yesterday on these, either yesterday or the day before. So stay tuned for that. And if you want to go check out the blue tile unboxing, hey, the on-feet video is out there. So feel free to check that if y'all want to also. Yeah, another one to discuss, the Shy Pink Travis, May 29th. New release date and good stock. Very happy to see that. But yeah, I'm on the screen recording right there. I thought there was more to discuss, but maybe there's another release or two. I'll check StockX real quick while I'm just like scrolling through right here. But I think that's pretty much what we can discuss. There is, okay. There is some Nike Book 2s that are doing good. So Nike Book 2, Haven and Hector. These are dropping on May 28th. I mean, we have a couple sales right here already at like $300, so that seems pretty good. Maybe there's a potential on a pair of Book 2s. We got the Jordan 12 Bloodlines as well. I'm not really crazy about those. Those are kind of like at retail already. So, yeah, you know what? I think that's pretty much it in terms of all the releases towards the end of May. But you can see what Nike has been doing. They're saving a lot of these drops till kind of that midsummer portion. And you can see we're starting to get them towards the end of May. We got some Travis stuff. We got the Nigels. We have other couple small low-key drops sprinkled in. Maybe like a Nike Mind restock. Feel free to check the Nike app. Just type in Nike Mind. It'll let you know if there's anything coming up there. And yeah, that's pretty much what I can say. So if y'all want more content like this, subscribe and like down below, man. I appreciate y'all always staying consistently. Always still on the road to 100K. We're going to get it one day. Keep in mind. We'll hit that 100K. And make sure you all, again, check out my Instagram pages, my TikTok pages, any of that. It is all linked down below in the pinned comments. Show your boys some love if y'all want to. Or again, if you want to check out the TikTok pages, we do lots of like streetwear auctions there. So if you ever want to come cop like some tees, we were like selling these the other week. So if you like stuff like this, we have some Supreme long sleeves. Like these are in this week. We have a few sizes left in those. We have more coming in like 2 different colorways. So yeah, lots of like Supreme stuff, accessories like socks. We're trying to get some backpacks in soon too. So yeah, lots of small, you know, unique things like that. If y'all into that, you know what I mean, just for your collection or, you know, to get for somebody else that you know what I mean, get them a little gift. Then feel free to come tune in, check it out, or if you just want to say what's up, hey, come say what's up. I got you. So that's everything I need to say, guys. I appreciate y'all always tuning in with me. That is all linked down below. We'll be back on the live grind this week just once we get all this paperwork filed. Once all this paperwork is filed, I'm grinding every day this week, so stay tuned. That is definitely something I want to do since, I mean, I did a lot of it yesterday, so now I'm just kind of like playing the waiting game, and bro, I hate just like sitting waiting around. I like to be doing something. So, I mean, today I'll be packing stuff. I have stuff to do, so fair enough. There's still stuff to get done today, actually, so that's why I'm up early. I mean, I have to go to the dentist, so yeah, I'm yapping. Let's go get that done. All right, I'm T. Thank you, guys. I'll catch y'all tomorrow on the next one. If you have any videos you want to see, let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you then. That was a long outro, yeah? All right. Peace out, squad.